10 health benefits about Moringa leaves. Moringa leaves offer numerous health benefits. 1. Nutrient-rich, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Boosts immunity, supports a strong immune system. 3. Anti-inflammatory, reduces inflammation in the body. 4. Blood sugar control, helps regulate blood sugar levels. 5. Lowers cholesterol, supports heart health by reducing cholesterol. 6. Rich in antioxidants, fights oxidative stress and free radicals. 7. Supports digestion, aids in digestion and relieves stomach issues. 8. Promotes skin health, nourishes and rejuvenates the skin. 9. Energy boost, increases vitality and reduces fatigue. 10. Bone health, provides essential nutrients for strong bones.